Class 3 girls 400 meter final. Anya Johnson, Tawena Marston, Jadine Patterson, Shajay Davis, Courtney Eccleston, TYECIA MacDonald, Malia McLennan, Shaniel Henry. The record 52.52 set in 2001 by the outstanding Anisha McLaughlin of Homewood Technical.
Other than the record at 52.52, doing, I believe everything else is open.
Yeah,
for attack.
Yeah, wide open. One of the favorites coming into champs, Imani Lowe, didn't make it to this final. Her teammate
from lane 8, representing Heidel, Shaniel Henry.
Yeah, Shaniel Henry was third last year in this event, representing Heidel. She 55.82 to come to this final.
In lane number 7, we have got from Homewood Technical, Malia McLennan.
Malia McLennan, she has run 57.22 before champs at Central Champs. She's looking good for. I thought that was Edwin Allen.
In lane 6, from Heidel, TYECIA MacDonald.
Yeah, TYECIA MacDonald got to the 200 meter final last year, got 7th.
In lane number 5, representing William Knibb, the Western champion, Courtney Eccleston.
Eccleston, she may now be the favorite. 56.94 before champs. She did that at the Carifta trials. I expect that she will do very well. She could very well get the gold right now.
In lane number 4, from Convent of Mercy Alpha, we've got Shajay Davis.
Davis, the number 2 coming into champs this year, at 56.43 before the semi-final, 55.80 to qualify.
Lane 3, from Alphonsus Davis, it's Jaden Patterson.
Jaden, 57.03 is the time she took to get here. She represents very well for Alphonsus Davis.
Lane 2, Tawena Marston, Knox College.
Saw her earlier in 200 meter qualifying. She ran well in the semi-finals to get here, 56.37.
And completing the lineup in lane 1 from Immaculate Conception, Anya Johnson.
56.56 before champs, 56.88 to get here. But she's in the tight, very tight lane 1. And she's a baby of this bunch.
Class 3 girls 400 meter final. Shajay Davis of Convent of Mercy, second at the Corporate Area Championships. We've got the Western champion Eccleston from William Knibb. The bronze medalist Shaniel Henry from Heidel is in here as well. Davis ranked second in the class, coming into champs for this event. Shajay Davis. Set underway now, a clean start the first time of asking. And already moving sprightly out there, TYECIA MacDonald of Heidel. As the stagger unwinds now and they let loose down the back stretch. Eccleston of William Knibb in the middle there on her right. From Heidel, it's MacDonald. Outside we've got McLennan and Henry from Homewood and Heidel respectively. They get set to leave the 150 meter marker. TYECIA MacDonald of Heidel makes a serious move. So too, Courtney Eccleston of William Knibb. Homewood Technical's Malia McLennan takes him off the top bend, but only marginally. Corey Eccleston of William Knibb comes calling. So too, TYECIA MacDonald of Heidel. She digs deep. MacDonald of Heidel digs deep and produces a super performance. TYECIA MacDonald takes the gold for the Class 3 girls in the 400 meters. 54.93. The flash time for TYECIA MacDonald officially. 55 seconds flat for the gold medalist in Class 3.
Imani Lowe was missing from Convent of Mercy Alpha, but that was about it. We knew the record wasn't going to be threatened. Anisha McLaughlin 52.52 was it. But viewers, listeners, for the first 150 meters of this race, nobody was in the lead, nobody was in last. They were as even as you could be at 150 meters into the race. Here they come doing excel around the first curve. You see all 8 practically in line. The stagger just begins to unwind as they get to the 200 meter mark.
Yeah, MacDonald with great 200 meter speed. She ran very well in the first round, testing the speed that she had over 400 meters, held back in the semi-final, and I think she, to her credit, measured the race properly here in the home stretch. McLennan of Homewood Technical, high stepping but suffering from the early pace. Now MacDonald surges to the front. Her teammate on the outside, Henry, running back brilliantly, and on the inside from Alpha, Davis comes through to get on the podium, but this girl, MacDonald, 7th last year in the 200 meter finals, steps up to 400 and upgrades to gold.